Hey guys, so today we will see how to solve this problem. This problem generally occurs when we don't have valid certificate and we proceed to checkout. So let's see what happens. Now we will proceed to checkout. We have item in the cart. Now here we will fill in the details. It's John and we have to name on the card it's John. And in the card detail we have to fill the dummy detail which is 42424244. Okay. So now we will click on complete order. So as we can see, the error occurred. This occurred, as I have told earlier, it occurs due to the not presence of valid certificate. Now we will see how to solve this problem. To know more about this problem, we can follow this URL. Okay, so let it go. What we have to do is we have to copy this URL to download the certificate file. I will provide it in link in description. So copy and we will paste it in the browser. Paste. Okay, cool. Now we will press enter. As we can see, the file has been downloaded. Now let's see where is the file. So as I've downloaded it on desktop, it is on desktop. Okay, cool. Now what we have to do is we will have to open the command prompt and we have to type php-i. Okay, php. It will give all the information about the installed php. Now again we have to go and scroll up and we have to search for loaded configuration file. Okay, so here it is, loaded configuration file. We will have to copy this. We will select this and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then we will go to the file explorer. Okay, we'll go to this PC and go to the address bar and paste it. Now we have to remove php.ini as we have to go to the folder where it is installed. So cool, here it is installed. So now we have to copy this and paste it in the php folder. So we have copied it and we will paste it. Fine. Now what we have to do is we have to open the configuration file. We will again go to the command prompt. We will copy this loaded configuration file by selecting it. Okay, we will select it and press Ctrl+C to copy it, and again we go to the address bar and paste it. So paste and press enter. So now configuration file is opened. In this we have to search for a keyword. We'll go edit, we'll find, and we have to search for curl.ca. Okay, find next. So we can see here is curl.ca. What we have to do is we have to remove that semicolon, so it will come to execution, and we will have to paste the path of the downloaded certificate. We will go to the php install folder. We have to copy its location. We will open its property, location. We will select it and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Again we will open that configuration file and in front of the curl.ca info we have to paste it. So it is just location of file. We have to add the file name. So we will enter the file name, which is cacert.pem. Okay, just we will verify what is the name of it. Okay, cool, it is cacert.pem. Fine. And then we will save that file. We have to file, save. Cool. Now all configuration has been set up. Now we will have to check whether it is working or not. We can close these tabs and we can localhost 8000. We'll open the cart, proceed to checkout, fill in the details. Name on the card it's John, and we have to enter the dummy card details. Cool. Now I will click on complete order. So as we can see, error occurred again. Why it is so? This is because we haven't restarted the PHP artisan serve. So we will go to the terminal, we will close the PHP artisan by Ctrl+C and again start the PHP artisan serve. Cool. Now we can proceed with all the steps, and let's hope it will work. Localhost 8000. We'll go to the cart, proceed to checkout. We'll fill in the details. Name on the card as usual, it's John. Dummy card detail 424242424242. Okay, and now we will press complete an order. Cool. As now we can see the order has been successfully placed. So this is how we solve this problem. So guys, if you liked it, please share it and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.